What we have on our screens right now are live pictures coming from Matoshri as we see the coffin which is carrying Bal Thackeray being brought out from Matoshri as it is going to be taken to the truck as it begins the procession towards Shivaji Park. His family there, we saw in fact other members of his family exiting just a few minutes ago, and now his son Uddhav Thackeray, who's also of course now the executive chairman of the Shiv Sena, as a part of the funeral procession, taking the coffin to through the crowds of people amassed there who've been waiting to get that last glimpse of the leader that they clearly respected so much. His coffin being taken to that truck. Rashmi, let's quickly go back to you now. You know, we are seeing this coffin. You've been talking about the crowds and crowds of people on those arterial roads leading to Shivaji Park. It is clearly a deeply emotional moment for many Shiv Sena workers as well as other supporters of Bal Thackeray right now.
Yes, Kajuri, indeed, it's a very emotional moment for the Sena supporters who have travelled from, or not only from Mumbai, but various districts of Maharashtra, coming here to pay their final respect. Remember, there are no taxis or autos that are plying. The people who are coming, they are taking public transport like the buses or the train, and they're making the way to Shivaji Park. The numbers that are expected is around 3 to 5 lakhs. People have already started gathering it. You can see the Shivaji Park ground from here, and you can see the people have already started gathering at the Shivaji Park ground. A lot of people also joining in the procession. Now, let me just show you the road that will be leading to Shivaji Park. Now, this is the road that will be leading to the Shivaji Park ground. The procession, the funeral procession, will travel from this road. It will first halt at the Sena Bhavan, which I said is the headquarters of the Shiv Sena. It will be there for at least 30 minutes. The body will be kept for 30 minutes, and then after that it will travel to the Shivaji Park ground, the straight road that's leading to Shivaji Park ground. All the roads which are connected to Shivaji Park have been closed for vehicular traffic movement. Only people have been allowed. What the police have issued in the advisory, that instead of taking this particular road, the 4 roads that connect to Shivaji Park,
right,
people can take the sea-link, which also you can see on your TV screen, and travel only if necessary. So the advisory has been issued. The police force have been, the entire police force has been pressed into action to ensure that no untoward incident happens. So far, there have been no incidents of violence, and the Mumbai police is keeping their fingers crossed, keeping their fingers crossed that nothing untoward happens through the day. Kajuri?
Right. Quickly, Rashmi, take us over the police deployment which has taken place, the police deployment which was decided and announced very quickly after the news of Bal Thackeray's death was announced yesterday late afternoon. 50,000 police officers, out of which I believe 20,000 on that road that you were showing us alone.
Yes, Kajuri, elaborate police arrangement made by the Mumbai police. Entire police force of 48,000 men deployed across the city, and 20,000 alone between Matoshri and Shivaji Park, which is around a 2.5 kilometer stretch. Now, that 20,000 policemen have been divided. Every 100 meters, there will be a contingent of 25 policemen, and that will be standing just to ensure that no untoward incident happens. This road, the road that you can see on your screen, this is a road that the funeral procession will take. It will first halt at the Sena Bhavan and then lead to Shivaji Park. It's not just the local police, but also a heavy contingent of the paramilitary forces have also been roped in.